again. So today we're gonna change some brake on the Honda CR-V 1996, and we're gonna do it the old school way. So before we change the brake pads, we're gonna remove the cork, put it one side. So all we need is just a flat screwdriver and a 17 spanner or socket. So we're gonna do it the old time way without the caliper tool. So if you look in this, you can see you get a flat screwdriver like this and put it between the caliper and the caliper pad and the piston, and you squeeze it back in like that. You're gonna squeeze in back the caliper piston till it reach right in. Yeah, so the piston is in. So now you just need a 17 spanner. You're just gonna crack it, get this bolt out. Bolt is out. So you're just gonna pull up the caliper like that. Then you get a screwdriver. Pads is out. Then for the back one, easy as that. If these need cleaning, you can clean it, but if not, you put them up back, same way. So now we're gonna put in the new one then. And rub a little copper grease there. Put a little here, some here. That's it. So now we're gonna install the new one. So now we're gonna put in the back one. and the pads is in. So now we're just gonna put a little copper grease behind here. If it don't make any noise and slide properly. Then we're just gonna clean the bolt, put a little grease on it, and then put it back. So now we're gonna put back the caliper. This is the bolt. So that is how you do the caliper on a Honda CR-V old school way. But if not, you can use this to bring in the caliper piston, but you can use the screwdriver, put it in here, squeeze in the piston, and the work is done. So it's the same procedure for the next side, but I'm not gonna show you the next side because it's the same thing, you know, so it don't make no sense. So that is how you do the caliper and the Honda CR-V from old school right up to the new one. Same procedure.